On this week's episode, we're going on a field trip.
Maim, kill, burn! Maim, kill, burn!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another episode of The Happy Heretic. Very special episode today because I am coming to you directly from sunny Central Florida. It's about 70 degrees out right now. And, so eat it, everybody who's in cold climates. I'm kidding. I love you guys. Anyway, but I am gonna rub the nice weather in just a little bit. Anyway, so today we are going on a field trip. I've mentioned in the past that I thin my paints using mineral spirits, odorless mineral spirits instead of artist grade white spirits. So I thought I would do a little compare and contrast on the pricing between the two of them and show you just how much cheaper odorless mineral spirits are compared to artist white spirits, because and again, the reason why I use the odorless mineral spirits over the white spirits is because they do the exact same thing pretty much. You don't need the big expensive stuff to get started with oil paint. So our first stop on our field trip is Hobby Lobby. One of my favorite places of all time. One of my wife's least favorite places. Because I can't walk out of here without spending money, it seems. I'm going to try to do that today. I'm not getting anything from here today. Hopefully. Maybe. But Hobby Lobby, if you're not familiar what it is essentially a giant hobby mega store, very similar to Michael's or Joann Fabrics, if that's even still around. Not sure, what you would have in the UK, but basically they sell hobby supplies of all shapes and sizes and crafts and that sort of thing. So we're going to go inside Hobby Lobby and see exactly how much they sell white spirits for and in what quantities. So I will go ahead and see you inside through the magic of video editing. Alright, so we're inside Hobby Lobby, inside the paint aisle. And you can see you got a pretty wide selection of acrylics and oil paints. Got Master's Touch, which I think is their in-house brand. I've never used that before. Grumbacher, which I love their rose pink. Winsor & Newton, and a lot of Winsor & Newton stuff. So, and they also have various thinners and things like that. Now, looking at the thinners, you see there's a lot of different kinds that you can use. You got some refined linseed oil right here. You got just generic thinner right here. All of it's pretty expensive. And you got right here artist white spirits, 75 milliliters, little thing, for $7, $6.99, $7 with over $7 with tax. Now Hobby Lobby usually has coupons, usually about 40-50% off sometimes, so you can knock that price down, but still 75 milliliters. Yeah, that's if you do any kind of serious oil painting, that's not going to last you very long. Maybe a week. I go through this probably in about a week or two. Probably a little closer to a week. We go over here, and we got some more paint thinners. We got Mona Lisa, brand I've never used, odorless paint thinner, $14.99 for 32 ounces, or 946.3 milliliters. That's $14.99. A little bit more for a lot more price.
Mickey's all 23, Mickey 43.
You got odorless paint thinner, $11.99 for 1 quart. So even with coupon, this is going to be expensive. So better option is going to be to go elsewhere, which we're going to do that now. We'll go ahead and go to Walmart next. All right, folks, so next up on our field trip is Walmart. Everybody knows everybody knows what Walmart is. I don't have to explain what Walmart is to you guys out there. I would hope I don't have to explain what Walmart is. Now, I'll be honest. Normally, I don't come to Walmart at all because I freaking hate it. But I need a couple of other items here as well. So. And I didn't want to make my wife hunt for mineral spirits during her morning shopping trip. So here I am. Let's go ahead and head on inside. I'll see you there. Alright, so we're here in Walmart's paint aisle, their hardware section specifically. And this is what I use. Clean Strip Odorless Mineral Spirits. You can see it comes in a quart for about a little under $7, $6.77, about $7 with tax. And then you can also get a big ass jug. Oof. 1 gallon of mineral spirits, odorless mineral spirits, more than enough to thin any oil paints that you've got. And this jug is about $12.44. You can see that tag right down there, $12.44 for a gallon of mineral spirits. Now, I don't buy the gallon just because it's big and unwieldy and I don't like storing it. I buy the quart. This lasts me about a month or so. So I'll put that in my cart along with some of the other stuff I've got. And this stuff, like I said, does pretty much the same thing that the white spirits do. White spirits are a little bit higher quality, of course, but this will do the exact same thing. This will thin your paints for you, no problem. And it's about, what, half the price of the white spirits for so much more. So you don't need a lot, and you don't need a lot of this stuff for a paint session. Like I said, this is going to last me about a month. So don't get the big expensive white spirit stuff. You go through that really, really quick. This stuff, like I said, lasts about a month, and yeah, it's a better buy, I think. So odorless mineral spirits versus artist white spirits. You can buy the artist white spirits if you want, but odorless mineral spirits, especially if you're just starting out, you're just getting your feet wet with oil painting, it's going to be the better buy. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and leave this video right here. Let me know what you think about all this in the comment section below. As always, if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Both of those things will help me out quite a bit, and I will see you all next time.